Ooh, may I suggest the teaching of the lesson regarding the value of friendship?
Sorry, dudes. I don't have time for lessons. I got to hang out with some cool rollerblading dudes.
You don't want to learn about friendship with us?
Psh, I already know about friendship. Be friends with cool dudes. Later, lame-os. Guys, isn't this destroying property? I don't want to get in trouble.
Man, you a nerd if you don't want to do the graffiti on walls. Come on, other cool rollerblading dudes. Let's blade out.
Aww.
You look like you could use the friend.
You guys aren't mad at me for ditching you to hang out with the cool rollerblading dudes?
Nah, we know how to roll or blade with the punches.
I guess your real friends are the ones who always have your back.
Always.